lang po dito kung ilan yung putang ina sinabi ni BP Sara. Masusupakto kayo no, kay Escudero pakinggan po ninyo. Pati yung kay Joel Chua, sinali-sali pa kasi. Hindi naman kasali si Joel Chua dyan eh. Oh, yung pagmumura, hindi ba kayo sanay sa mga Duterte?
Maalis mo man ako sa presidential days, hindi pa rin ikaw ang presidente, king ina mo.
Oh, king ina mo. Tama yun.
Walang buboto sa'yo.
Oh, di ba?
Please lang.
Please lang.
Okay. Thank you.
Wala.
Wala, oh.
So,
Ano
Your Honor,
problema?
those were the 7 timestamps, portions of the video where the Vice President hurled invectives and profanities. Now, the question is, may I proceed, Your Honor?
Counsel, to clarify,
Yeah, opo.
that the Vice President hurled invectives, period. Not necessarily against the 3 officials mentioned.
Most of them were
Tama.
against the 3 officials, Your Honor.
Most of
I
them.
only counted or heard 1 or 2.
Oh.
Out of the 7, I heard Representative Chua, but
No.
he's not one of the subject matters of this case. But just for the record, does the witness confirm that? Out of the 7 timestamps, there are approximately 2 or 3
Oh, tama.
mentioned either all 3
Or
or one
one.
of the top officials. Would that be correct, Mr. Witness?
I think more than that, sir, if you can see the
Make your voice
context.
louder, louder.
If I'm not mistaken, I think 5 times referring to either Martin
nandiyan si Joel
Romualdez
Chua?
or Liza Marcos or the president.
The rest were either congressmen or a particular congressman.
If I'm not mistaken, sir, yeah.
Oh.
Counsel, you may proceed.
Now,
Oh. Hindi naman sila kasali, sinali-sali ninyo eh. Oh, tuloy na natin ha. Tuloy nyo.
Ito itong ginagawa ko eh. Eh putang ina, hindi mo pala gusto ginagawa mo eh. Eh, bakit mo sinisira pangalan ko?
Oh, Joel Chua. Joel Chua, Joel Chua. Oh, si Joel Chua yun. Nandiyan si Joel Chua eh. Gago ka kasi eh. Hoy, tinitingin-tingin mo dyan. Bakit ka na kayo ko? Hoy, atensyon, atensyon. Bakit ka na kayo ko? Atensyon. Yung mga ano, wala yata dyan si ano, si... Maraming wala oh. Wala yata si Pia. Hindi si Pia. Si ano, si Legarda, wala si Legarda. Saka sinong wala?
He did not know what he was talking about.
Ah.
That's so incompetent. Or he was lying through his teeth
Ah.
to get the votes of people.
Ayan. Si Bongbong Marcos.
Ang ina ninyong lahat.
Very good, very good.
Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos.
Yun! Natumbok mo, ma'am. Ulitin natin. Nagulat o, hindi nila makita ko sa hinahanap nila. Hindi nila makita. Hinahanap nila yung ano, yung ano
I think we
tao.
have 2 more.
Oh. Oh, hinahanap nila yung ano, yung may kinausap na ako. Hanapin nyo yan. Huwag kayong titigil. Hanapin nyo yan. Walang titigil. Sumakit po ang ulo ni Escudero dahil yung katabi niya parang dekorasyon. Yung flower vase na katabi po niya mga karyasyon isang dekorasyon. Ito na.
Tapos kami yung nagsisinungaling.
Oh.
Nagpipigil ako eh.
Oh, pigil.
Kasi gusto ko lang magtrabaho.
Tama
Gusto ko lang tapusin nyo na yung ng show ninyo dyan sa House of Representatives para makabalik na kami.
Oh. Namumura si Joel Chua sa harap-harapan ng maraming tao mga karyasyon. Bakit nyo kasi piniplay yan? Napapahiya tuloy kayo. Play pa. Marami yan. Play nyo pa. Puro mura yan eh. Alam na namin yan eh. Puro mura. Tapos, if i-play nyo pa yan, live po ito mga karyasyon. Live coverage. Oh. Play!
We have 2 more.
Two more. Oh.
Ang ina ninyo.
Oh. Oh. Mura!
I think that will be the last. Your Honor, that will be the last.
Puro mura
Counsel,
yung
that's
nabot.
the 7 timestamps?
Let me confirm. Attorney Magallaon.
Ba naka-makeup,
Okay. We have one more.
naka-foundation, naka-lipstick?
We have 2 more, Your Honor, please. I was told
Oh,
we have 2 more.
two more round. Sige
Thank you.
na. Oh. Talagang parang mag-a-attend siya ng purinarye, no? Siya yung nililibig. Oh.
Martin,
Oh, Martin.
nangangampanya tayo.
Oh, yun.
Nakasakay tayo sa eroplano.
Oh.
Magkatabi tayo.
Oh.
Nagre-reklamo ka, putang ina ka,
Oh.
walang pera. Kas,
Bakit
The last one.
Bakit nila piniplay yun? Ba't pinuputol-putol nyo? Dire-diretso yung marami mura yun. Inuulit-ulit pa namumura yung boss nila. Na
maalis mo man ako
Oh.
sa presidential days, hindi pa rin ikaw ang presidente. King ina mo. Walang buboto sa'yo. Please lang.
Okay. Thank you.
Wala.
Oh, bakit nila piniplay yan?
So, Your Honor, those were the 7 timestamps, portions of the video where the Vice President hurled invectives and profanities. Now, the question is,
Okay lang yun. Ganun talaga yung mga Duterte. Bago kayo sa mga Duterte, mga putangin na kayo. Bago kayo sa mga Duterte, bago yan.
may proceed, Your Honor?
Counsel, to clarify,
Yeah, opo.
that the Vice President hurled invectives, period. Not necessarily against the 3 officials mentioned.
Most of them were against the 3 officials, Your Honor, please.
I only counted or heard 1 or 2. Out of the 7,
Di ba? Out of 7, oh, 1 or 2 lang daw po. Oh, di ba? Parang umina yata yung signal natin, mga ka-reaction, ha? Umina yata yung signal natin. Sandali lang, mga ka-reaction. Itutuloy natin yan. Lalakas din ang signal natin. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, mga ka-reaction. Ayan, naglo-loading po. Naglo-loading po tayo, mga ka-reaction. Naglo-loading. Naglo-loading, mga lodi. Naglo-loading, mga loading. Oh. Oh, para yatang pinipigilan tayo ng pinipigilan tayo ng mga internet connection na to. Wala daw, hindi daw. Oo, ngayon, ba't nawawala yung natin? Internet connection, internet connection, come in, internet connection, internet connection. Oh, mga ka-reaction, papasok din po yan, mga ka-reaction. Konting tiyaga lang po, may nilaga tayo, mga ka-reaction. Ang ating internet connection ay lalakas din. Alright, mga ka-reaction, tuloy na po natin, mga ka-reaction. Ito po yung kadugtong nung nakaraang video natin. Kung napanood nyo na, kung hindi po nyo pa napanood, mahina ang ebidensya ang pamagat. Nandiyan po sa baba, panoorin nyo muna. Tapos ito po, mga ka-reaction, ang kasunod po ng video na yun, mga ka-reaction. Live recording po tayo, mga ka-reaction. Alright, simulan na po natin, mga ka-reaction. Ito na, mahinang ebidensya to. Mahinang ebidensya, naku, sinasabi natin eh. Di po gumagalaw yung flower base katabi po ng ni Escudero. Oh, meron pa gumagalaw din pag may time, sir. Galaw. Yan. Pumorma ka ng ganyan, nakaganyan ka, parang kunyari may alam ka. Tapos yung ballpen mo, yung SOS yung tsaka yung kung sisilyo ba yun, yung ganyan. Huwag mong kalimutan, sir. O kaya mag-samji na lang kayo diyan, mag-samji. Yan na.
Tanggalin yung ulo niya ba?
Oh. Hindi naman yun yung
I realized toxic na yung relationship.
Yun lang. Hindi naman yung yan yung doon sa press conference, iba yun eh. Kinat nila. Yung istorya po niyan, mga ka-reaction, yung relo nung dapat i-play ng diretso yan eh. Yung hindi binigay yung relo.
Counsel, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nanggigil.
Waiting for the second video.
Sige. Nakakatawa.
consisting of 6 seconds only. Your
Gigil na gigil eh. Sir, bakla ka ba, sir? Bakla ka ba? Ano bang gusto mo? Babae o lalaki? Tanong lang ha. Tanong lang, prosecutor. Huwag ka magagalit. O naka-makeup, naka-foundation. Talagang...
Imagine myself
Oh.
cutting his head.
Yun, sige. Imaginein mo, ma'am. Sige. Oh, nakakatakot si VP Sara.
Okay, thank you
Namumugot
so
ng mga
much.
bangag.
Your Honor, please. May proceed, Your Honor, please.
Proceed.
Counsel may proceed.
Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, do those videos have, portions of the videos have, with the video you mentioned earlier?
That's the same video I mentioned, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's proceed. Attorney Lotok now.
Proceed.
After you discovered these previous statements by the Vice President,
Ako.
what happened next, if any, in relation to the investigation you conducted on the Vice President
kumain sila sa labas.
on November 23, 2020?
Kumain sa labas.
Yes, Your Honor. We have also discovered reactions from the recipients, specifically from the President himself, the Speaker of the House, relevant government agencies tasked to secure the life of the President and the national security,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Thank you so much. You know, Mr. Witness, let's focus on the President kasi it's his head eh. Ulo ng Presidente yung gustong tanggalin ng Vice
Oh, ay binigay yung relo eh. Ay hindi binigay yung relo.
President. Let's focus on the President. Now, what did he say again in particular?
If I may refer to my notes, sir.
Your Honor,
You may do so.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hindi niya masagot ang diretso. Kailangan may binabasa. Ibig sabihin, hindi nag-aral ng lesson to. Oy, abogado ka pa naman. Dapat alam mo yung sinasabi mo dyan, yung trabaho mo dyan. Ano nangyayari sa mga to?
Yes, Your Honor. Among others, quote, nakakabahala ang mga pahayag na narinig natin itong mga nakaraang araw.
Oh.
Nandyan ang walang pakundangang pagbumura
Oh.
at ang pagbabanta ng planong ipapatay ang ilan sa atin.
Oh.
Kung ganun na lang
Si Presidente
kadali
yan.
ang plano sa pagpatay ng isang presidente,
Oh.
paano pa kaya ang mga pangkaraniwan na mamamayan?
Oo.
Yang ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinalalampas. Yan ay aking papalagan.
Oh.
Unquote.
Pumalag ba? Hindi naman pumalag si Bangag. Natakot lang si Bangag kasi may yung di umanong plano na pagtsugi kay BP Sara, nung nalaman nila pag namatay si BP Sara, silang tatlo ay susunod. O walang nangyari kay BP Sara, di ba? Safe! Oh.
now, thank you so much.
Oh.
Okay.
Pumalag? Si Bangag hindi pumalag.
You said that the former Speaker of the House of Representatives also
pumalag.
gave yung tugon niya sa naging mga pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente laban sa buhay niya. Could you just summarize exactly ano ba yung tugon ng former Speaker ng House of Representatives?
Naku po.
Yes, Your Honor, if I remember it right, I think the Speaker issued a statement during the plenary session November 25, 2024, which was published in the ANC Digital. And then among others, the former Speaker stated that the utterances were dangerous, unprecedented, isa itong banta sa demokrasya at sa seguridad ng bansa.
Alright, now, Mr. Witness, Attorney Lotok, sinabi mo rin na may mga ahensya ng gobyerno na nagbigay din ng kanilang tugon sa mga pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente. If you may, anong mga ahensya na ito?
Yes, Your Honor. For one, the Presidential Communications Office, the Philippine National Police, the National Security Council, and the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Okay. Let's focus.
Ang malaking katanungan dito mga ka-reaction, kapag naglabas ng ebidensya itong si BP Sara, yung prosecution, na talagang may tunay na pagbabanta sa kanyang buhay, nako, susuplak po lahat yan mga ka-reaction. Merong pagbabanta.
On muna sa Presidential Communications Office. Na ano ba yung statement ng Presidential Communications Office kung alam mo?
Nako po.
If I remember it right, the PCO,
Ang pinakaano po dito mga ka-reaction, meron bang crime Walang crime, di ba? Wala naman. Niloloko tayo ng mga to eh. Niloloko po tayo mga ka-reaction. Sige, pero tuloy natin.
Classified the threat as an active threat.
As an active threat.
And directed the Presidential Security Command to, I think,
Parang
investigate
naglulukuhan, no?
the matter.
As an active threat. So,
It was the Executive Secretary who directed the Presidential Security Command, sir, based on that statement.
okay. Now, sinabi mo rin yung Philippine National Police. Yung tanong is kung maalala mo, ano ba yung sinabi ng PNP in response sa naging mga pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente sa buhay, ng Presidente sa kayong dalawa pa?
Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
Your Honor?
You may do so, Your Honor. You may do so, Mr. Witness.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Talaga, naka-makeup, naka-lipstick, talagang landing-landi.
The Philippine National Police issued a statement relative to the press conference made by the Vice President. Quote, the Philippine National Police threats any threat to the safety and security of the President and all public officials with the utmost seriousness. In light of the Vice President Sara Duterte's recent statement, which directly referenced an assassin contracted to target the President, the PNP recognizes the grave nature of this matter. The safety of the President is a national concern, and any direct or indirect threat to his life must be addressed with the highest level of urgency. Close, unquote. Hindi ko na binasa lahat,
Now,
Your Honor.
Attorney Lotov, now, the PNP used, based on your statement as the response of the PNP used the term assassin in referring to the person contracted by the Vice President to kill the President and two others?
Your Honor, it was not just the PNP, even the Presidential Communications Office also used the term assassin, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, what about the National Security Council? Ano bang sinabi ng NSC kung alam mo?
Again, Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes. Pwede na ba?
Hindi, wala namang sinabing assassin si VP Sara, di ba? Wala sinabing assassin eh. Ang sinabi ni VP Sara, asin. Bigyan nyo siya ng asin kasi may mangga. Yung asin na may sili. Pero walang assassin ha. Nang-invento kayo ng terminology dyan eh. Assassin kayo dyan eh. Sinabugan ko kayo ng asin dyan eh. Para kayong mga linta. Sabugan mo ng asin, di ba?
May the witness be allowed to refer to his notes once more?
You may do so, Mr.
You may
Witness.
do so, do so. Si Chihuahua. Si Ilago, talagang feel na feel niya, Mamundok ka, bundok. Punta ka ng bundok!
Your Honor, the question was about the statement of the NSC, right?
Yes.
Quote, the National Security Council considers all threats to the President of the Philippines as serious. Any and all threats against the life of the President shall be validated and considered a matter of national security, unquote.
Okay. Now, sinabi mo rin na yung Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP nagbigay din ng kanilang response sa naging pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente. Kung alam mo, tsaka kung maaalala mo, ano ba yung sinabi ng Armed Forces of the Philippines?
Same, Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
Naku po. Ano yan?
For the record, we're borrowing.
Sandali lang, may nagkakaroon ng tinatarantado tayo Kailangan nating ugutin yan, tinatarantado
For
tayo.
orderly proceeding, Your Honor, please, I think it's proper for a third decision to us to be recognized first.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do that. If
Oh.
Depends. What is the pleasure of attorney, counsel for respondent, attorney Cesar?
Oh.
Just state an observation on the notes.
Your Honor, I think
Counsel, we
you must be
agreed
recognized first.
that only one counsel shall speak insofar as the presentation of a witness is concerned. This was objected to by the counsel for respondents, even if it was asked for by the counsel for the prosecutors.
Your Honor, for
We will do
the
that, Your
record,
Honor.
we are not objecting, but for a properly proceeding, Attorney Cesar,
Counsel, it's okay. The chair will make a ruling. Attorney Binluan can
Thank you.
handle
Thank
that.
you.
Your Honor, just like to say the observation that the witness is reading from
A foundation,
notes, from his notes and not directly from the document that he identified.
and if I may reply to that, Your Honor, to that non-issue, Your Honor, if I may.
Yes. Your Honor.
Your Honor, there's nothing.
Yes, counsel for the prosecutors.
Your Honor, wala po sa rules na kailangan na yung tugon ng isang witness, sinabi niyang notes, dapat based sa isang dokumento. In fact, Your Honor, please, yung iniisip ng ating rules, yung mga notes na ginawa mismo ng witness. For the public, if you're interested, you may look at Rule 130, Section 16 ng Rules of Court. Andun yun, pwedeng tingnan ng isang testigo yung notes na ginawa niya. Rule 130, Section 16, Your Honor, please.
Before I recognize counsel for respondent, Senator Judge Lacson, what is your pleasure, sir?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is relevant to the discussion.
The gentleman may proceed and he has 2 minutes.
Yes.
Baka
You
kasi
requested to
nasa
refer to your
prosecutor.
notes a number of times during your direct examination. Ang tanong ko, are you referring to an investigator's notes or notebook or simply notes?
Oh, yeah,
No,
yeah.
Your Honor. During the investigation, I have copies of the affidavit of investigation
Okay.
that we have.
Yeah, I asked that question because my understanding of an investigator's notes or notebook to be credible and may even be used as part of the examination or evidence in chief, depending on its authenticity and purpose and the role of evidence, is that the contents therein were written on the exact dates when the subjects of those notes actually happened. Ito yung ginawa nyo mismo?
Yes, Your Honor, during
Thank
the
you.
investigation.
Thank you
Your
for the clarification.
Thank you, Senator Judge Lacson. Noted and entered into the records. Counsel for respondent, what is your pleasure?
Your Honor, that was mere manifestation, Your Honor. We just want to put it for the record.
There being no objection, some witness may proceed and answer, or counsel may proceed with his questions.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ano sinabi ng Armed Forces? Are we done? Not yet. Okay, so let's go back.
Yeah, if I may, Your Honor.
Yes.
Witness may continue to answer.
Thank you, Your Honor. On November 23, 2024, General Romeo S. Browner, Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, issued the following statements. Quote, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is a professional organization focused on its mandate to protect the people and the state. Our personnel are loyal to the Constitution and the chain of command, unquote. Hindi ko
Okay
na
na.
po binasa lahat, sir.
Okay, now, after you and your team discovered these responses, Attorney Loto, what happened next, if any, kung meron man, tsaka kung alam mo, in relation sa investigation nyo, sa mga statements ng Vice President on that day, November 23, 2024?
We issued subpoena to the media personalities present during the online press conference of November 23, 2024. Sir,
What?
for them to appear on December 4, 2024, sir.
You issued a subpoena to the media personalities that you said andun sa media conference na yun to appear on December 4, 2024. Now, sino ba yung mga media personalities na pinasubpoena ng NBI?
Naku!
Again, Your Honor, if I may refer to my...
You may do so, Mr.
Thank you,
Witness.
thank you, Your Honor.
Alam po kasi ng investigador na to, wala namang kaso si VP Sara eh. Puro mga palabas lang to, mga ka-reaction eh. Alam niya. Oh, sige, hanapin mo! Hanapin mo! Hanapin mo! Apat na yung mata mo! Hanapin mo! Bilisan mo! Hanapin mo! Bagal mo maghanap! Hanapin mo! Finally.
First to the late Dempsey Saiden Reyes of the Philippine Daily Inquirer, and then to Red Whore Marky J. Mendoza of the Manila Times, Bons Magsambol of Rappler, Ana Rosario Malindo Uy of the Manila Times, Jason Rubrico of the SMNI, and Mikael Flores of the Reuters, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Witness, yung tanong now is, ba't kailangan isabpina ng NBI itong mga media personalities na ito na mag-appear sa NBI sa araw na iyon, December 4, 2024?
Your Honor, they were there during the online press con, and they participated the press conference. So, ang tingin namin, meron silang personal knowledge kasi nandun sila at nag-participate po sila. Kaya, we deemed it proper to issue subpoena on them. Your Honor.
Now, so you said na they were subpoenaed to appear on December 4, 2024 in the NBI. Now, what happened on that day, December 4, 2024, if any, and if you know, in relation to the investigation you conducted?
The agent on case reported to me that Mr. Reyes and I think Mr. Magsambol appeared before the Office of the Cybercrime Division and participated in the process of the interview, sir.
Now, how do you know? How do you know that these two individuals, at least, si Dempsey Reyes, again, may his soul rest in peace, and Magsambol appeared before the NBI on that day, December 4, 2024?
Yes, Your Honor. Aside from the fact that the agent on case reported that to me, he showed to me the minutes of meeting wherein the signatures of the late Mr. Reyes and Magsambol were affixed on it, Your Honor.
Okay.
May nakapirma ho sila doon sa minutes of meeting, sir.
All right, now, thank you so much, Attorney Lotok. Now, Attorney Lotok, you said that your team interviewed members of the media. You issued subpoena to them and they appeared. Now, what else happened, if any, in relation to the investigation you conducted?
We issued subpoena ad testificandum to the Vice President herself to shed light in the investigation we are conducting, sir.
So you're telling the public that you, NBI, also issued a subpoena to the Vice President?
Yes, Your Honor.
answered, Your Honor.
Okay, now, proceed, Your Honor. Now, what proof, if any, do you have that in fact the NBI issued a subpoena addressed to the Vice President?
We have copy of that subpoena ad testificandum dated November 25, 2024.
So hindi pumunta si VP Sara Duterte kasi hindi siya pumunta. Ayaw niya eh. Wala namang kaso eh. Ba't pupunta siya dun? Diba?
Sir.
Now, kung yung subpoena na binigay ng NBI sa Vice Presidente may petsang Nobyembre 25 taong 2024 ipapakita sa iyo, makikilala mo ba yung dokumentong ito?
Opo.
Now, we are now in the process of presenting to you a subpoena ad testificandum dated on even date December 25, 2024. That
Where
is,
parties are authorized to approach
Thank
and
you so
view the
much.
document.
for the record, this is previously marked as Exhibit P-Roman numeral 4-4 for the prosecution. Have you perused the same, Attorney Loto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Question, what relation, if any, does that document have with the subpoena you mentioned?
This is the same subpoena I mentioned, sir.
Thank you so much. So the NBI issued a subpoena to the Vice
Your
President.
Honor, can we just make a comment?
Counsel for the respondents recognized.
We have.
Your Honor, may we just put on record that Exhibit P-4-4 is a photocopy and it was not, the original or the certified copy thereof was not produced.
We are ready to produce that, and that's the next step we are supposed to do. The Honor,
Noted. Please proceed.
we have a copy of the certified true copy. We invite the defense to check the same for comparison, Your Honor, please.
Puro na lang Xerox ang binibigay nila eh. Puro na lang Xerox copy. Oh, Xerox na naman yan. Nauso na yata talaga Xerox ngayon ah. Ako po.
Counsel for the respondent.
Your Honor, it is a faithful reproduction of the certified true copy, Your Honor.
Noted for the records.
May
Counsel
proceed,
for
Your
the
Honor.
prosecutors may proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, we would like to know how
How?
did
How di Carabao?
the Vice President respond, if any, if at all, and if you know, to the NBI's subpoena issued to her?
Well, the Vice President did not appear, Your Honor. Instead, she sent her lawyer,
Tama, oh.
Attorney
Yun
Paul
pala eh.
Lawrence
Owa.
Lim, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
Okay, she did not appear.
Yes,
Question
Your Honor.
answered.
Okay, now, question. If you know, what was the Vice President's reason for failing to appear at the NBI, in the NBI, despite the subpoena issued to her?
Di ba nagpadala nga siya ng representative niya eh? Ang kulit mo naman, nakakaintindi ka ba nun? Nagpadala siya ng statuicandum.
I think the Vice President, in effect, was saying there were office matters to tend to, so she cannot.
Natatakot po itong regional director na to kasi nasa BARM siya. Sa Mindanao siya nakadistino. Alam niyo naman, sa Mindanao, napakalupit po ng mga DDS dyan. Eh ngayon, kaya lagi siya nakayuko para hindi siya makilala, ganun, no. Kaya baka may sakit siya dito sa batok.
Attend the scheduled subpoena date, sir.
Office matters. Now, how did the respondent, the Vice President, inform you that she could not attend the subpoena because she was attending to, quote, office matters, unquote?
There was a letter, I think, dated November 28, 2024, which was submitted by the counsel of the Vice President, sir.
So the letter, December 20, 2024. Now,
Oh.
kung yung kopya ng letter na yan,
Halata itong mga
sa'yo,
to, talagang
ma-identify
nahihirapan.
mo ba yung letter na ito?
Opo,
Now,
Your Honor.
we're in the process of showing you a copy of the letter
Naka-makeup talaga,
dated
oh,
November
naka-
28, 2024.
Counsel for the
Naka-foundation.
prosecutor may approach, as well as counsel for the respondent.
Oh, sige, approach. Namumroblema ng NBI dito. Oh. Ayusin mo
Yes, Your Honor. This is the same letter that I mentioned.
Your Honor, can I make a manifestation at this point?
Sige, manifestation.
The prosecutor may proceed.
Your Honor, the letter from the Vice President's lawyer is not marked in exhibit. At this juncture, Your Honor, please, if the defense will agree, we move that the same be marked as an additional exhibit for the prosecution, and the specific marking that we are asking the court to follow is Exhibit P-Roman numeral 4-32 for the prosecution, Your Honor, please.
Counsel for the respondent.
We have no objection to that, Your Honor.
So ordered. So marked.
Thank you so much. Now, so what did the... Your Honor, please. Your Honor, do we have to pause for the marking, or do I proceed?
Please proceed, counsel.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, please. Thank you so much. Now, so what did the NBI do? No? Anong ginawa ng NBI after yung Vice Presidente hindi sumipot sa NBI despite the subpoena kung meron man?
Yes, Your Honor. We deemed it proper to issue another subpoena to give the Vice President another time so she can prepare. At the same time, in reply to the letter submitted by the lawyer, we issued also a letter dated December 2, 2024.
Nag-long drive siya.
Because the Vice President in that letter from her lawyer was asking copy of the complaint and the question to be propounded by the NBI to the Vice President.
All right. Now, let's go to that letter, Attorney Lotok na. Puntahan natin yung letter na iyan. Now, kung alam mo, ano ba yung sinabi ng NBI sa letter na iyan na pinadala sa Vice President after hindi siya sumipot despite the subpoena sent to her?
Your Honor, the document would speak for itself. No need for the witness to read.
I think the counsel
Witness may
is...
answer
Yes.
if he knows.
Yeah, among others, sir, sinabi ho doon sa letter namin nung December 2, 2024 na ini-inform namin ang Vice Presidente na iniimbestigahan din po namin yung alleged threat against sa kanyang life At sinabi namin na kailangan namin yung kanyang presensya para may makuha kaming information, para ho may mapagsimulan kami doon sa investigation against threat to her life, Your Honor.
Now, what proof, if any, do you have that the NBI issued another subpoena addressed to the Vice President?
Yeah, we have that copy of the subpoena dated, if I'm not mistaken, December 2, 2024. Sir?
Na, okay. Attorney Lota, kung yung kopya ng pangalawang subpoena ipapakita sa iyo, ma-identify mo ba?
Yes, sir.
Now, we are now in the process of showing you that subpoena. The defense may also check.
Counsel for the prosecutor as well as respondent may approach to compare.
And for the record, that second subpoena addressed to the Vice President has been previously marked as Exhibit P-Roman numeral 4-6 for the prosecution.
That's the same subpoena I mentioned, sir.
Okay, so that's the same subpoena. Do we have any observation from the defense?
Counsel for respondent.
The document is a machine copy, Your Honor.
Machine copy. Stephen, where's the Stephen? Your Honor, we move that the certified true copy in our possession be compared with the photocopy identified by the witness, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, this has not been marked, right?
This has been marked this time, Your Honor, please. The second subpoena.
This has been marked already.
Yes, Your Honor.
Same observation, Your Honor, as the last document.
Meaning it is a photocopy?
It is the same as the photocopy of the copies are the same, but it is not the original, just a photocopy of the original, Your Honor. That was certified.
Wait, so
I do not get it, Counsel.
Your Honor, the other document that the prosecution is showing is a certified copy, Your Honor. So in other words, it is the same as the photocopy that was previously marked, Your Honor.
But certified.
Correct, Your Honor.
Noted.
thank you.
You may proceed.
Now, you also mentioned, Attorney Lotok, yung isang letter, this time, it's dated December 2, 2024. Now, kung yung letter na iyan ipapakita sa'yo, ma-identify mo ba ito?
Yes, sir.
Now, we are in the process of showing you a copy of that letter that is previously marked as Exhibit P-Roman numeral 4-5 with submarking P-Roman numeral 4-5, small letter A. May you peruse the same and answer the question. After perusing the document, what relation, if any, does this document have with the one you mentioned?
The same document that I mentioned, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, Mr. Witness, sa pangalawang subpoena,
Your Honor, the document again is a photocopy, machine copy. Your Honor.
Your Honor, we move that the certified true copy that we have in possession be compared with the photocopy that is marked in exhibit for the prosecution, Your Honor, please.
Counsel for respondent is instructed to so view the certified true copy and make the corresponding manifestation of their observation.
Faithful reproduction of the certified copy, Your Honor.
Noted.
Thank you so much.
Counsel,
Proceed,
may
Your Honor. Now, Attorney Lotok, ano ba yung naging tugon, kung meron man, tsaka kung alam mo, ng Vice Presidente sa pangalawang subpoena na inisyu ng NBI?
Yes, Your Honor. The Vice President again did not appear, but instead sent her lawyer with another letter.
Another letter.
Yes, Your Honor, submitted to the Office of the Cybercrime Division.
Okay, now, kung alam mo, ano ba yung nilalaman ng letrang iyan, yung pangalawang letter ng Vice President in response to the second subpoena ng NBI?
If I remember it right, sinasabi doon, we must state the obvious. The NBI is under the administrative supervision ng Secretary of Justice, who is an alter ego of the President, and the Executive Secretary is the chief alter ego. So, minarapat daw niya makinig sa kanyang counsel at hindi na mag-appear sa subpoena ng NBI, Your Honor.
Now, kung yung, what proof, if any, do you have of that letter?
We have copy of that letter, Your Honor.
Kung yung kopya ng letter na yan ipapakita sa iyo, ma-identify mo ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, we are showing you a copy of the letter dated December 10, 2024. The question after you peruse the same, what relation, if any, does that document have with the letter you mentioned?
The same document that I mentioned, sir.
Your Honor, manifestation, the same letter coming from the Vice President's Counsel is not marked in exhibits by the prosecution. Same with the previous letter, we move that the same, with agreement from the Defense Counsel, be marked as our exhibit P-Roman numeral 4-33 for the prosecution. It is a photocopy of that letter, Your Honor, please.
What does counsel for the respondent say?
No objection to that, Your Honor.
No objection. Thank you so much.
Noted. Kindly have it marked.
Your Honor, proceed. Now, Mr. Witness, what else, if any, did the letter state, if any?
Well, the counsel for the Vice President stated that the Vice President is confident that the NBI will also investigate the alleged threat against her life. Yun po yung tenor ng letter na yun, sir.
Now, ito yung tanong now. You mentioned earlier that the Vice President stated that she already contracted an assassin to kill the President and the two others. Now, Attorney Lotto, wait, not yet done. No question yet.
Please proceed, counsel.
As the head of the investigation team, what was your impression of the Vice President when she declared that she already contracted an assassin to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House of Representatives?
Objection, Your Honor. Calls
What
for an
ground?
opinion.
Opinion. You may cite the rule, Your Honor, please.
And misleading as well, Your Honor. She never mentioned the word assassin.
Your Honor, the term, may I reply to that, Your Honor, please?
Counsel for the
The term
prosecution is recognized.
assassin had a fiction. It is the same term used by the PNP and by the PCO. So it's not plucked out of thin air, Your Honor, please. So we have basis for using the term assassin.
But Your Honor, the counsel mentioned that it was VP Sara who mentioned it. And that was phrased in his answer. So we are objecting to that, Your Honor.
With the understanding that the witness will base his answer on his investigation or knowledge insofar as the investigation that he himself conducted and led is concerned, and not as a conclusion of fact and law. The witness may answer.
What was your impression?
Yes, Your Honor. To me, as the chief investigator at that time, the utterances made by the Vice President was serious, and the threat was real and actual, sir.
Mr. Witness, if I may intercede, counsel, is this contained in your investigation report?
Yes, sir.
You may proceed, counsel.
Seryoso tsaka totoong pagbabanta. Now, what made you say that? Na yung pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente ay both seryoso at totoo.
Well, Your Honor, we considered the content and context of the utterances made by the Vice President in November 23, 2024, as well as the utterances made by the Vice President in October 18, 2024, and the reactions from the recipients, as well as reactions from several government agencies, sir.
content and context. Now, exactly, yung tanong is, exactly, how did you analyze the content and the context of the entire press conference?
We considered several factors, Your Honor, in the analysis of that content and context.
Several factors. To be exact, kung alam mo, ilang factors kinonsider nyo?
At least four.
At least four.
Your Honor. Number one, the delivery or manner in which the utterances were spoken.
Naku!
That's one.
Number two,
Wala yan.
the literal meaning of the statement, Your Honor. Number three, the nature of the instruction, and number four, the relationship between the parties, sir.
So, four factors. Now, Attorney Lotok, let's go to the first factor. No?
Oh, punta na
Let's
tayo.
go to the
First factor, mga impacto.
The delivery of the manner in which the threats were spoken.
Naku po.
What made you say that the respondent was both serious and real when she
Pero
uttered those
syempre,
threats?
papatay na
Objection, Your
siya.
Honor, calls for an opinion.
Your Honor, Your Honor, if I may.
Based on his investigation, counsel, he may testify as to that. Witness may answer.
Yes, Your Honor. The Vice President was furious and fuming mad when she uttered those.
Could you repeat it? Furious and
Fuming mad, sir.
fuming mad. Furious and fuming mad. Now, what made you say na yung Vice Presidente was both furious, and fumingly mad?
Well, nakita ho namin dun sa video nung niran ho namin, Your Honor. If I'm not mistaken, I think more or less 8 beses ho siyang galit na galit at nagmumura at minumura yung Presidente, si First Lady, and then si former Speaker of the House, sir.
8 beses.
If I'm not mistaken, more or less, sir.
Now, and then you're referring to the video. Now, in what particular portions of the video, okay, did the Vice President hurl invectives or sa Tagalog, pagmumura kung sa Cebuano, pamalikas, kung hawaray-waray,
Buyayaw.
buyayaw? Mga ilang beses? 8? In what particular portions?
Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
You may do so.
Thank you, Your Honor.
In the interest of time, Your Honor, please, while the councils are doing that, I move that the previously marked and identified Exhibit P Roman numeral 4-10, which is the flash drive containing the video of that press conference, be unsealed in the presence of counsels from both sides.
You may proceed.
You
And
may
then
proceed,
now
you may
answer,
proceed.
Mr. Witness, anong mga timestamps ba ito?
Ano yun, ano?
Your Honor, from timestamp
69.
53 minutes to
63.
27 seconds, and 53 minutes to 39 seconds.
Naku
So
po.
53 minutes, 27 seconds to 53 minutes, 39 seconds. The second timestamp, if you may.
54 minutes to 03 seconds, and 54 minutes to 08 seconds.
54 minutes, 03 seconds to 54 minutes, 08 seconds. That's the second timestamp.
Naku
What
po.
about the next timestamp, if you know?
55 minutes to 42 seconds, and 56 minutes to 07 seconds.
55 minutes, 42 seconds to 56 minutes, 06 seconds. What about the fourth timestamp, if you know?
58 minutes to 38 seconds, up to 58 minutes to 47 seconds.
58 minutes, 38 seconds to 58 minutes to 47 seconds. What about the fifth timestamp, if you know?
Naku po.
1 hour, 02 minutes and 25 seconds. 1 hour, 02 minutes and 32 seconds, sir.
1 hour, 02 minutes to 25 seconds to 1 hour, 02 minutes, 32 seconds. What about the next, the sixth timestamp, if you know?
1 hour, 05 minutes and 08 seconds, up to 1 hour, 05 minutes and 31 seconds.
1 hour, 05 minutes, 08
Bakit-
seconds to
bakit
1 hour,
pinag-usap-
05 minutes, 31 seconds. What about the last timestamp, Mr. Witness?
Bakit pinag-uusapan natin timestamp no? Diretsahin kung diretsahin, meron bang krimen na nag-commit? Wala, meron. Sagutin yun. Puro kayo ganyan eh. Nililito niyo ako eh.
1 hour, 08 minutes and 43 seconds.
Wala namang krimen na
And then 1
na-commit
hour,
eh.
08 minutes and 54 seconds, Your Honor.
1 hour, 08 minutes, 43 seconds to 1 hour, 08 minutes, 54 seconds. Your Honor, we move that those 7 timestamps identified by the witness be shown in sequence, Your Honor, please.
So ordered.
Your
Counsel for the prosecutors
order?
will kindly give the flash drive to be unsealed by the witness, as witnessed by counsel for the respondents.
So
Thereafter,
order.
for counsel of the parties to kindly accompany each other to the tech booth so that the USB may be played with respect to the specified timestamps of the witness.
Okay. Punitin, okay lang.
Nako po. Nako po. Ito na.
Utang ina ninyo.
Ayun, gusto ko. Sige. Repeat.
Sino ang corrupt?
Yan.
Yung mga congressman na yan na
Sige, sige na, play nyo na lahat. Play, mga congressman. Mga corrupt na congressman, play. Ayaw nyo i-play? Pi-play ko yan eh.
nila na kesyo taksil, kesyo corrupt, abusado. Utang ina ninyo.
Oh.
Sino ang corrupt?
Sinong corrupt? Tuloy nyo! Ba't hindi nyo tinutuloy mga... Hindi nyo tinutuloy ah. Tutuloy ko kayo eh. Ayaw nilang ituloy ah.